But since elevaTOURS is all about being healthy, we're going to walk the steps first. These are some very nice steps. Now we can go ride the OTIS elevator.
Uh-oh, the video's over. But it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.